Hey everyone, Kat here, Paper, Pens, and Coffee. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for the ones that have been participating in the Growth Through Present Journaling Bundle project. This is for April, and I'm so happy to share with you what is going on in this bundle and what you will receive. Before we get started of showing you everything that comes with it, I just wanted to give a quick explanation of why I do PNG with the journaling cards and then also on the PDF. Some people with the PNGs, they like putting them into Cricut and shrinking them or making them larger, or doing other things with it, kind of making their own collage, and I want to give them that chance to do it. Starting in May, I'm going to do my best to put all of the journaling cards in a PDF form for people to print out, but this will have to stay on a PNG. And the reason why is that I use Canva to do the collage thing. I'm not an Adobe person, so please don't say, oh, just move it to Adobe, do this, and you'll be fine. No, I don't have the bandwidth for that. So what I've done before, but I want to give the best product to my customers, is that I have done a screenshot and moved it over to a larger piece of paper. It looked blurry. I have cut and pasted it. Outside of it, as you see, like there's the whole flower here, there's a big circle here, the rest of the giraffe and stuff, and it just looked really crummy. So if you have a photo printer, you're in luck, or if you're one of the lucky ones that still have a Walgreens, you can go in there and do a quick print and call it a day. So the rest of the journaling cards, for sure, you can shrink down on PDF on one paper, like you can print all of them like onto 2 pages, which I'll show you an example of what I did with some other things, just so you can see the different sizes. With that, that's the explanation I have. This is what I'm trying to balance with and still trying to enjoy everything during this year. If people that are new to this channel and this is your first journal bundling video you're watching, I'm a graduate student of mental health counseling, and this is where I'm trying to keep the balance of my creativity and then also my schoolwork. So that is the reason why that I am keeping this one. But starting next month, for sure, I'm going to make sure all the cards are on the PDF. So it will be more printer friendly, not wasting paper friendly, because I don't want to waste paper either. I'm with you on that. All right, you'll be getting a letter from me explaining what's going on inside the kit. There will be the instructions for Let It Go, Let It Grow project. And then you're going to get a bingo card. Now let me show you the bingo card from last month. And it's a lot of fun. I use a date stamp. I cut it out and I put it on my first page of my notebook. I made it so it would fit an A5 or the traveler's size notebook. Depending on how your printer is, sometimes it will print larger for me because I clicked on something else instead of actual size. If you do actual size, then you shouldn't have any problem fitting it in. If you do have some issues with it, please DM me over on my Instagram feed. That'll be the easiest way to get a hold of me, and I'll try to walk you through the steps so you'll be able to do it. So this is the new month of the bingo card. And then you have the cherry blossom inspired wish list. And because it's cherry blossom season. Now, the reason that I'm showing you this is that this is the original size. And then this is when I did both these pages, the journaling prompts, and then Let It Go, Let It Grow, and then these 2 ones on 2 pages on one. All right, trying not to make it too confusing, just to show you how you can have different sizes. So if you want the journaling prompts to be a little smaller than the original size, that's how you can do it. This is only my 4th month of doing this type of thing. I'm still learning how to do things and what I visualize, what I think will be great. I've gotten some wonderful feedback on how everyone has enjoyed it. And that's all I can say about it. Now, I printed these a little larger because I wanted to fill out more of the space in my book. These are original size of 3 by 4. Once again, you can print them on multiple pages and that would shrink them down. But I wanted to do this, and then these definitely will fit if you're doing a passport size. It will definitely fit on one page there. Don't mean to interrupt, but this is VoiceOver Cat. I forgot to show you the solar plex chakra card from my personal art chakra set that I am sharing with you. And that is just on a PNG. I wasn't able to get it over to a PDF. Next month, I'm going to make sure that I'm able to get the next chakra card over onto the PDF. Thank you for listening. Now back to the regular program. So this is what is in the April bundle, and I look forward to seeing what you all create. And I'm also in the process of making a private DM for anyone who has purchased any of my bundles and wants to share what they have, how their setup is, and want to have more of that, private group setting of safety and comfort of sharing their journaling. Then you will be included. You're more than welcome to opt out of that option when I add you to the group. Thank you ever so much for everyone who has been supporting me from the get-go, who just found me last month or even this month. And I look forward to creating more of these mindful journaling bundles throughout the year. Until next time, bye.